Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna unbox this. So I'm gonna start by saying that I don't like Apple, but when it comes to laptops, Windows laptops doesn't stand a chance. It's also Saturday when I'm recording this and it should have arrived yesterday, but the postal service isn't that quick in Finland. But let's jump right in. I'm mostly gonna use this for editing and stuff like that, so that's why I wanted a powerful laptop. Beneath the laptop itself you can find a user guide and a charger. I think this is the 30 watt charger, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna use my other USB-C charger. That's 65 watts. And then you have a color matched MagSafe charging cable. I've also bought some accessories for the laptop, and this is a laptop sleeve from AliExpress that should be pretty much the same color as the laptop, and it is. I've also got a Deltaco wireless keyboard. I think it's the DK440, and it has the Kale red switches. And I also wanted a good mouse, so I went with the Logitech MX Master 3S. So I still have the paper here because I haven't used it. But this should be good for editing. And with a MacBook you need an adapter or hub. So this got one USB-C, two USB 3.0, one HDMI and one RJ45. And last but not least I have this ROG Arion M2 enclosure which has RGB. Because I'm gonna use this laptop for editing I need a lot of storage, so I got 2 terabytes, and this enclosure for the same price that 256 gig more would have cost with the MacBook. I've seen this on YouTube. When I open the lid it should power on. But I think that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.